We'll also leave a train. I'll go. I'm gonna stay way back. That's where the old track was. Yes. Daddy, back here is far enough. Last time I was too far away.
Maybe I should.
Daddy, you do not
sing and dance
No!
while we're waiting on.
No!
Well, okay. Jeez. No reason to be
Tyler
loud about
M
it.
will not appreciate that.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Tyler M. I won't do that. On my videos, I will.
No!
Oh, I hear the horn.
You're not taking no pictures or
No.
pictures or videos because I can hear everything from your phone in the video.
Well, sorry.
Oh no, folks!
But Dad got in your video.
What? No, folks!
Not yet.
But Daddy, the crossing's going off.
Oh no, folks.
He was far enough. Is he moving out? It's just an engine. Is he moving out?
I'd say it's That one had the flammable restriction substance symbol on it.
They all do.
And,
They all do.
well, they all do, yes. So what do you think? They're hauling fuel?
No.
Oh. Well, it says flammable, so something that's, that will ignite.
He is carrying gas, that's what.
That's what I asked. Fuel.
Gas to
Yes.
you.
Gas to you also. Fuel.
You never say that. You never say anything about the flammable sign in my videos. But I hope I don't hear that.
What do they call that?
I hope
Fuel
I,
mart. Not gas mart. Fuel mart. Thank you. I rest my case.
it's a smart rewards card. Jesus.
Well, that's why. It doesn't say gas mart. It says fuel mart.
Next time when I video another train, you keep your mouth quiet. Is he moving out?
He's doing about 30.
Is he stopping?
No.
His wheel's not turning.
You're right. He's got one that's not turning.
Where?
I don't know. Or one that needs oiled or a bearing. That's what it is. It needs a bearing. bearing's blown on that rear tanker there.
Is he stopping?
And no, he's going on. Blown bearing and all. Oh, I have to take a look and see what's going on.
Okay, that's